Next to the gas for the week. Yeah. Dripping on back for the legs, say something. Never tell a fact that I never stay running. Sipping on facts, damn, know I got stacks in the lab. Taking bitches straight for another cat. Make shit while I never had shit. Bitch, move, make your motherfucking head split. Hospitalized, never really gon' pay shit. Got me never really gon' chase it. Dreams to the blade, no fake. Ass to the way, niggas know I ain't play. Fast to the break when I switch all day. Stance when I press to the damn all day. Sticking up sides, read, never mind me. Point to the ground, stick down to the feet. Stay, please stay, bitch, you got no beat. Never take a seat, bitch, you never gon' see. For the week, yeah. Yeah, taking my life, thinking it's right. Switching and missing the point to the light. Washing the thoughts in the back of my mind. Telling that I know for fact that they mine. Watch me, I'm slow low. I walk with your flow. So take money from the locked door. Bitch, move back what you played for. Swinging down, no other way. Negative in the flash shade. I come with the landscape. I run with the wrong.